Hello guys, and welcome back into this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for supporting me, and I really like the way you are supporting me, guys. So make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. So in this video we'll be looking at how you can be able to write your first program on Ubuntu if you are using Ubuntu as your desktop. Specifically I'll be showing for Ubuntu, but it's almost the same when you are writing with Windows or in other operating systems. So the first thing that I will do is that I'll create a folder on my desktop and name this folder Python class. Then click enter. The folder is already created. I open that folder, then click inside and open in terminal. When I click open in terminal, I'll type code, then hyphen, then dot, then click enter. So basically this will open my VS Code so that I can be able to start writing programs in VS Code. And if you have not seen how you can be able to install that VS Code on your desktop, then you can be able to check the videos on this channel, or I leave the link in the description down below so that you can be able to check on that on the same, and also to install Python on your Ubuntu. Then click just mark this, and you can mark either yes or not. Then close this welcome message and close this. So if this is your first time, you'll need to click at the files, then click new file. When you click new file, by default it will open here. So you need to type something here, a Python program. For example, for me, I'll write print into brackets, then quotation mark, I love Python. Then after writing this program, you need to save the code. You can click Ctrl S or come here at the files, then select save as. Then for me, because this is my first program, I'll just write hello.py. You can write any name, but make sure it has an extension of .py so that when the execution time comes in, the interpreter knows that this is a Python program. After writing that, just click save, and after saving, you will see that it is being colored. And when it is colored, you realize that now you can be able to run this program. But down here on your right hand side, you will find that install the recommended Python extension to get this one. So you just click install so that you can be able now to write to continue using these ones. So for me, I'll just click install so that I can be able to install this one. So click install, and the installation process will take a little bit of time depending on how fast your internet connection is, so that you can be able to use that is your VS Code to write Python programs. So basically this is how you set up, and I have already said that if, for example, you don't know how to install VS Code on your machine, you can check my other videos so that you can be able to do that. The same thing with others. Then now you need to manage this one, so you can just close this and also this one, and then we try to run this program again. So you click here and run. So you can run with debugging or without debugging. So let's run with the debugging. Then this one, then okay, then everything will be okay now. Then we'll go back and try to run the same program again. If I run the program, you can now see down here it prints the statement that we entered at the top here, which is print I love Python programming. We can add another statement, that is print Python is cool. Then run. You can see the two statements have already been printed down here. So basically that's how you can be able to write either Python program or any program, especially for Python. This is how you can be able to set up your environment so that you can use it to develop or to code with Python programming. Thank you so much. See you next time.